Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. In today's video, I will show you how to use your WhatsApp on multiple phones or multiple devices at once. So to do this, you just need to go to WhatsApp and open the application. And after opening the application, you just need to go to linked devices. You just click on it, and as you can see now, I'm linking already my WhatsApp to my Android phone and also to my computer. To do this, you just need to click on link device, and after that, you need to open, if you are using like your web browser, you need to open web.whatsapp.com and it will show you a QR code. You just need to scan it with your application because your camera should be working. I'm just blocking the camera to not to show what's behind the camera. Or if you are using an Android phone, you just need to open the WhatsApp application. Of course, you should not be connected to another account at the same device. You just need to open your WhatsApp application. And after opening the WhatsApp application, when you are on the page where you should put your phone number, you just need to click on the three dots on the top right of the screen and choose the first option, which is link to another device. And after that, you will also see the QR code that you can scan it with your iPhone or with your Android phone. So whatever type of phone you are using. And after that, you will directly be linked or be connected with the same accounts in your both devices. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next.